Hello students, today we have the MCQs of metallurgy. These MCQs are helpful for your exam. So let's see. A naturally occurring substance present in earth crust contain is known as minerals. A mineral from which metal can be extracted is called as ore. A chemical formula Al2O3 twice H2O represents ore. Answer is C, bauxite. Impurities present in an ore is, answer is A, gangue. Next, a chemical formula Fe2O3 represents the ore. Answer is A, hematite. A chemical formula ZnS is representation. Answer is A, zinc blende. The unwanted impurities present in ore are, answer is B, matrix. There is process of extraction of metal from ore. Answer is C, metallurgy. The process of removal of gangue from ore is, answer is D, concentration. The hematite ore is concentrated by the process. Answer is A, gravity separation. Iron is obtained from iron oxide by use of, answer is B, reducing agent. Next, ore tin stone is concentrated by process. Answer is C, gravity separation. Next, reduction of ore is the process carried out by, answer is A, smelting. A hot blast of air entering into the furnace through, answer is B, tuyeres. Metals lead and tin are refined by process. Answer is C, liquefaction. Metals like mercury and zinc are purified by the process. Answer is A, distillation. Melting point of iron is, answer is B, 1530 degrees Celsius. Chemical formula of malachite is, answer is C, CuCO3 CuOH twice. Sulfide ore is concentrated by the process. Answer is D, froth flotation. Roasting is carried out in the furnace. Answer is A, river battery furnace. Copper matte contains copper into, answer is A, 30 to 50% copper. Copper matte is a mixture of Cu2S plus FeO. The process in which copper matte is converted into blister copper, answer is C, besmerization. Blister copper contains copper into, answer is A, 96 to 98% copper. In the process of electro-refining of copper, anode is made up of, answer is D, copper. The electrolyte used in electro-refining of copper is, answer is A, 15% copper sulfate plus 10% sulfuric acid. That is 15% CuSO4 plus 10% H2SO4. Melting point of pure copper is, answer is B, 1083 degrees Celsius. Copper in pure form has specific gravity. Answer is C, 8.95. Copper react with non-oxidizing acid, hydrochloric acid, produces, answer is D, cuprous chloride. The property of metal in which it can be drawn into its wires is known as, answer is A, ductility. An ability of metal to carry a load without breaking is tensile strength. Metal combines with mercury to form alloy is known as amalgam. Alloy is not prepared by method. Answer is D, electromagnetic separation. Alloy which do not contain iron as a main component known as, answer is A, non-ferrous alloy. Medium carbon steel contains carbon in it. Answer is B, 0.3 to 0.6%. High carbon steel have a tensile strength. Answer is C, highest. Solder is an alloy contains A, lead and tin. Duralumin contains major element. Answer is A, aluminium. Woods metal is used for, answer is B, safety plug of pressure cooker. Portland cement contains lime in it. Answer is a D, 60 to 67%. Chemical formula of lime is CaO. Fat lime contains CaO in it. Answer is C, 90 to 95%. Lean lime contains lime in it. Answer is B, 75%. Example of acid refractory is, answer is B, graphite. Example of basic refractory is, answer is D, magnesium oxide, MgO. Which is not neutral refractory? Answer is B, alumina. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If this video is helpful to you, then please like it, share it and subscribe my channel.